Alright, guess what we're doing today?
We're opening our BoBoS boxes.
They're BoBoS boxes. This is Marissa's box, and this is mine. These are bigger boxes. They put 3 boxes in one, I guess.
Well,
This is Marissa's November 2016, February 2017, and March 2017 box. So this is your last 3. And this is 3 of mine. I still have 3 more coming. I don't know if they're going to send another big box or 3 separate boxes later. I don't know. Yours is already uncut. I'm just going to look inside. I have not opened mine yet. So pulling it out. Read your note. You have to read it out loud.
what is in cursive?
Doesn't matter.
I cannot. There's a part of writing that I cannot read. Because it's in cursive.
Oh, that's just messy writing. I don't think that's cursive. It says, "Thank you, Marissa. I hope you enjoy your box of BoBoS." Box of, yeah, I think it's box of boxes or box of BoBoS. Yay! Let's pull stuff out. Hurry up.
Paper.
Paper.
Paper. Oh, this one has a lot of good stuff.
Pull it out.
Here's Fun with Balloon Boy, and it's he's from Five Nights at Freddy's.
Oh, cool. 5 Nights at Freddy's Balloon Boy figure. Cool. Hurry up.
Okay,
Bubbly heads. What is that?
I don't know.
It's like a
There's
bobblehead?
There's a lot of writing on the front.
Boggly heads. That is cool. Might have to trade you for that. Where art and toy begins. Art, toy with bobble action. Is that another one? Cool. Oh, I like this one. It's like a little unicorn guy, bobblehead. Cool. What's that one?
On this one it says head-to-head brain races.
Oh, I'll beat you at that maybe. You think?
I don't know.
I think you'll beat me. Cool, fun game. Oh, that looks hard. Yeah, you'll beat me. Let's get something out of mine. Paper. Alright. Predator mini mates. That is awesome. That's a perfect place for that. I got a little blank spot on the wall for mini mates. Just for him. What's that?
It says Pokemon, I think that's what it says.
Pokemon. It's like Pokemon cards, but Pokemon. Pokemon. That's pretty cool. I got a pint-sized Heroes Horror. Maybe I'll get the chase. Oh, hell yeah. I got Jason. My favorite one. Wow, I got lucky.
There's this Harry Potter thing.
Harry Potter Trivial Pursuit. Cool. That's cool. We'll have to play that later too. After you beat me at the brain games. I got enough too. I decided to put 3 BoBoS worth in one box because of the extended delay. Sorry, one item I know you already have, but it is something I got signed early last year at the Rock Hill Mad Monster Party. I think you'll like it. Team BoBoS. Cool. Wonder what it is.
And then,
Whoa!
there's this rocket raccoon.
That is cool.
The name's Rocket.
Whoa!
Locked and loaded.
That's cool. It lights up.
Oh, come on. I don't got that long of a lifespan anyway.
That is funny. Let's see what else I got. And this is something I do already have. Maybe this is the signed item. Texas Chainsaw Part 2. NECA figure. And it is signed by Bill Johnson. It is played Leatherface. Leatherface 2. Bill Johnson. Fear the Saw. That is awesome. I got this figure, I think, from BoBoS actually about 1.5 years ago. So they did know I have it. And definitely like another one. That is signed. That is awesome. Wow, look at that guy. Ain't he beautiful?
That looks creepy.
Ah, he's pretty. Thank you, BoBoS. You got anything else?
No.
Alright, this is my last thing, I think. And it is Stephen King or Living Dead doll from the first movie. And that is awesome. Cool. So I got the Stephen King It. Definitely like my little horror guy, little Jason. Oop. Predator. And the Leatherface. That is very cool with that sign. And what'd you get? Boggly heads, 2 of them.
Pokemon.
You want to open one of them Pokemons? Five Nights at Freddy's guy looks weird. It's made by McFarlane. Get them? Let me see a couple of them. Yeah, they look kind of like Pokemon cards. Different scales. And the cute puppy, but it stinks. Cool. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you, BoBoS, for getting us our boxes. What's your favorite item?
I think it's a raccoon.
The raccoon? My favorite's Leatherface. Thank you for watching.